Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Happy Thanksgiving to you all. How could I not come to wish you all happy Thanksgiving? You know, Thanksgiving is like originally Americans, but you have Americans all over. So wherever they are, they're going to be celebrating Thanksgiving. So whether you're in America, where it is originally from, in Canada, in the UK, in Jamaica, any other Caribbean island, wherever in the world you are celebrating Thanksgiving as an American, happy Thanksgiving to you all. Now this is Wednesday, I think tomorrow is Thanksgiving. I hope you have all prepped. Yes, hope you have all done probably about 50-55% of everything, and you're not waiting until tomorrow to just have everything and just stress out your body. Because let me tell you, that Thanksgiving dinner, that Christmas dinner, it can be really hectic. So I hope you have everything locked, as in Jamaica would I say, hope you have everything locked, hope you have everything under control. I spoke about it earlier in a few at my last kitchen talk. I have lots and lots of things on the channel that has shown you how to go in depth and all of that. Happy cooking, happy eating, and most of all, happy Thanksgiving. Remember the 3 F's: good friends, good family, and the key, good food. Most of all, 3 F's: good friends, good family, good food. Whichever you want to put first, it doesn't matter. It's all about the food, the family, and friends. Okay? And it doesn't matter what you have, but the Lord has provided for you. Make the very best of it. There are so many videos on the channel that can show you how to put together, to mix and match. Of course, I would like to have gotten in a few more videos, but I did not get to. Sometimes I'm tired, you all. I have other things doing, you know. But what we didn't get in for Thanksgiving, you can't bet your sweet life we'll be getting it in for the Christmas. Okay? So, hope you have all, you know, do your thing, have your thing all locked. I hope you make sure you work it out that everybody come in the kitchen and help, and to make things easier. Most of all, try to bring a vibes in your kitchen. Build a vibes. I'm not going to the kitchen with that, you know, sulky. Bring some vibes to the kitchen, because you know, right here on the Jamaican cooking journey, we deal with vibes. Vibes up your kitchen. You get what I'm saying? And look here. If the rice go wrong, remember the video is there. If the rice are bun down a bottom and middle poto and top raw, go check that video out. I'm going to leave the link in the description. So you know what happened? I am here. I am just a phone call away, or a WhatsApp phone call, or a WhatsApp text away. If you're in the kitchen and you see things out, forget bad and get out of hand, because I have no visa for come look food and come sort it out and correct it, you know. So ring me up, man. Send me a little DM if you're not following me on Instagram. Make yourself an Instagram account. Follow me. And most of all, let me have some pictures. I want to go on in my family kitchen. Okay? So once more, from my Jamaican kitchen, you know we don't celebrate Thanksgiving in Jamaica as original Jamaican. So tomorrow, I got the all about out and about. I look living for make video for Uno. So, once more, from my Jamaican kitchen to your kitchen, to your Thanksgiving kitchen, to your Thanksgiving family table. Once more, happy eating, happy cooking, and most of all, happy Thanksgiving. Eat to your heart's desire, but don't overeat yourself. Overeating is not good. Don't overeat. Make the best of all that the Lord has provided for you. If you never get that turkey there, roast a big chicken. Remember to put on the boot on the chicken, also on the turkey. We have the video up on the Jamaican Debbie Debs, which is my second channel. If you want to put your turkey in style, get on a pair of shoes and that boy. Okay? So, most of all, just send me some pictures. That's what I would love to see. So, from my kitchen once more to yours. And on behalf of Camera Girl and myself, happy Thanksgiving. Debbie from Dung Yaad. Bless. No stress.